I know that the title is clickbaity, but I'm serious. You got to check out this pickle. Okay, this isn't a video I normally do, but I just wanted to share this with you. It was a great idea, I think, for a video, and we had a real fun time trying to pick a name for a title for this video, and they ranged all the way from just innocent to probably my channel is going to get banned from YouTube. But, you know, judging from some of the things that are on YouTube these days, probably not. Anyway, all that to say, they already have it out for me, so probably, yeah. So a while back, me and Michelle were watching this channel on YouTube, Uma, and they had a short in one of their shorts that we were watching because they have great recipes on here. We ended up buying the book. They had a short on here where they were one of the two pulled out a 4-year-old pickle from the fridge. Got to clarify because these days you never know. She pulled out a pickle from the fridge and it was a 4-year-old pickle and it still had crunch and she said it tasted great. And I'm like, you know what? I think I've got a 3-year-old pickle in my fridge. I should go look. And sure enough, in the back, I had this and it's 3 years old. The pickles that are in there are 3 years old. There's some I still have left. And I just I didn't have a really good harvest of cucumbers last year to replace them. And so I was kind of making them last. And if you don't know anything about pickles, true fermented pickles is that they are a probiotic powerhouse. And it's one of the more harder things to attempt to do. And so it's not really that hard. You just got to make sure you go through a couple things. Make sure the pickles are fresh or the cucumbers are fresh. You don't want to buy cucumbers at the store and try this. You're going to fail. And some fermentation projects that you might do are very, very easy and forgiving. These are not. So you have to have almost perfect conditions to make it work. But it really isn't that hard to get those perfect conditions. It really isn't. You just got to make sure. Anyway, all that to say, this is my new batch of pickles. I picked cucumbers. I just picked these cucumbers the other day and it's growing great. You can see it's kind of cloudy. That's a great indicator right there that everything is going well. It's getting pressure. The bubbler is bubbling and you can see little bubbles and pieces of dill that are rising up in the jar. And so everything is going perfect on this so far. And it's almost done. So it's going to be done tomorrow morning. I'll take this and then put it in the fridge. And then that'll be one batch of pickles and I'll make some more. This batch, I opened it up. I actually put it here, I opened it up and I pulled one out and the reason I want to do this video is I want you to see, because that's one of the big YouTube videos you see out there are all these people telling you how to make sure you get crunchy pickles after you can them. The key, number one, in my opinion, is don't can your cucumbers. Don't can your pickles. You don't do that. That's a surefire way to get soft pickles. And everyone knows you want hard, crunchy pickles. Here we go. I want you to hear this. This is a 3-year-old pickle, okay? Pickle slice. And I want you to hear the crunch. You hear that? You can't fake that. That is a true crunchy pickle. And it's 3 years old. It's been in my fridge. It's not been canned. It's been fermented. And there's a difference. If you're trying to do canning, that's not how you do it. That's not how great grandma used to do it. That's not how our ancestors used to do it. They did it because with this Perfect Pickler, this is the same kit that I've been telling you about all the time. It's salt fermentation, guys. And you're getting tons of probiotics. If you're buying your pickles in vinegar or if you're canning your pickles, you're getting 0 probiotics. And pickles are a gut healing powerhouse. It's a probiotic powerhouse. And this is one of the reasons why I tell people, listen, we are suffering from SIBO. We are suffering. Do you know that science estimates, and you can go search this up and put your conclusions down in the comments below. Tell me I'm right or wrong. Go ahead, do your research. 70% of your immune system, science says, is in your gut. So if your gut's messed up, if you're eating nothing but carbs and sugars, and you've had antibiotics any time in your life, your gut health is a train wreck. It's a train wreck. You have no guts. You have 0 bugs in your guts that's doing the job it's supposed to do when you're born, and that's to process food and send all of those nutrients from that processed food into your body to be utilized. Probiotics does that. Crunch, real pickles. I love it. Why would you use anything else? Why? I make a lot of pickles, or I try to make, whenever I get a good batch, and I'm getting a great batch this year in my garden, I'm getting a lot of cucumbers out there right now. And so everything's going fantastic in my garden this year. I've seen only just a couple pepper failures. That's it. That's it. Everything else is going great. And so my cucumbers are doing fantastic. And so I'm going to be doing a lot of fermented, perfect pickles this year to get the probiotics so that even if years go by that I don't do so well, I'm going to have plenty of these to live on and get my probiotics. Like, guys, this is like a medicinal. So I use this as medicine. You know, I don't eat it with every meal. I eat it several times a week. I have other probiotic things in my fridge that I switch back and forth from so that my body's getting a good variety. Kimchi and pickles are my favorite. I also do sauerkraut and some other things. But you can find our kimchi. We've done kimchi recipe stuff over at Patreon. But in this batch right here, I've got dill, I've got garlic, I have onion, and I even have some popolo leaves that I grew this year in my garden that I threw in there just to see how they'd turn out. But everything's going great with this, and I'm looking forward to putting this in the fridge. This is my first big batch. I'll store that in the fridge, and then I will be adding subsequent batches after that. Absolutely fantastic. 3-year-old pickles. By the way, this is a great channel. You know, she probably would not like the fact that I talk about so many other right-leaning things on my channel, but I'm just going to go ahead and give her a shout out to, if you want good cooking stuff, and you like Asian food, I think this is Korean, so you can go and check out that if you like Korean. And I love cooking. I love cooking. I love being in the kitchen. Okay, and Michelle likes the Korean food too. So this is a channel we enjoy, and she's got lots of great stuff on there. Go check it out. And if you don't have a perfect pickler kit yet, or if you know a friend, you know, let me just say, let me rant here for a second. I meet a lot of you guys out there in the real world, and you tell me, oh, I bought a perfect pickler kit. Oh, really? Did you use it? Well, it's just still sitting there. What in the world are you doing? Have you ever had antibiotics in your life? Yeah. Okay. Have you ever had complaints about, you know, this or that? I can't say. I gotta be careful on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Why have you not made this yet? Because if 70% of your health, overall health, is tied to your gut, is related to gut health, why have you not made Perfect Pickler something? There's a recipe book included in here that's got like 14 different recipes free and a whole bunch of other free recipes online on the website, like dozens and dozens and dozens of them. Go make some probiotics. The probiotics you buy in the store are junk. Most of them have been verified fake. Most of them have been verified and tested by third-party testing to not have any probiotics in them, whether you're buying the pill bottles or the little juice things that say probiotics or the little yogurt things that have probiotics. There are no probiotics in them. The bifidobacteria, all that stuff is all fake. It's all a marketing gimmick. They're lying to you. Nothing in the supermarket is real. Very little in the supermarket is real anymore. If you want good probiotics, if you want good gut health, if you're trying to fix SIBO and all these other things, you got to make it from home, guys. Got to make it from home. Perfectpickler.com. Share the video with someone you love. If they're experiencing SIBO issues, pickles are a fantastic medicine to fixing gut health. Share with your friends. All right, guys, what do you think? Interested in your comments below. If you got any sort of enjoyment, or if you like the title of the video, or if you are a fermenter at home, please don't go before you leave the like. I really appreciate that. That allows YouTube and other people to know that people like and enjoy my channel. Okay, back. I gotta finish eating this. And there, I'm getting ready to have lunch. I only eat OMAD 1 meal a day, so this is gonna be part of my OMAD today. I'm looking forward to it. Leave a comment below before you go. Love you. See you next time in the homestead. Bye.
There's something deeply comforting about returning to simple ways of living and learning from plants, and remembering that so much of what we need is already here. Over the years on the homestead, we've been quietly gathering knowledge, learning how to work with herbs, how to make teas, balms, and tinctures, and how to care for ourselves and our family in a more natural way. We've drawn so much knowledge from these 2 books. They are 100-year-old books by Dr. A.B. Howard. They are simple, heartfelt guides to the plants that we use every day. Inside, you'll find hundreds of herbs and what they're used for. Most of the plants can be found in your backyard. This isn't a complicated book. It is a return to simplicity, to learning, and to recognizing and reconnecting with the rhythm of the land. You'll find these books on Amazon for over $1,000. And the reason these 2 books are so valuable is because the information in them works. These books are also out of copyright and out of print. If you feel called to go deeper into herbal living with us, you can find these beautiful books as a PDF for $1 when you join our Patreon page as a member. And for those who join us at various membership levels on Patreon, you're not just able to purchase these 2 books, but you're stepping into a quieter space, a more private space, with more private videos and monthly live streams, and a closer connection to our homestead life. If that speaks to you, we would love to have you with us, so please consider joining today